Hello and welcome to another Firefly tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through the process of using text effects in Adobe Firefly. It's a simple yet powerful tool that allows you to generate visually appealing text designs effortlessly. To get started, the process is quite similar to working with images, but this time we're focusing on creating text with stylish designs. As you hover over the various options, you'll see samples that give you a preview of what each design looks like. Just like before, you'll need to provide a prompt for the text generation. Let's try it out with the sample text. I'll input hello as my text, and for the effect, let's go with loin. After hitting generate, you'll see the result, in this case, the brave text. Feel free to experiment with different effects until you find the one that suits your preferences. On the right side, you'll find additional customization options. You can choose the shape, match it to your liking, pick a specific font, adjust the background, whether transparent or colored, and more. For instance, I'll select a tight shape, choose a unique font, opt for an orange background, and hit generate. Voila! The text is now generated based on the parameters we've selected. If you're satisfied with the outcome, you can save it to your favorites or explore more options, such as downloading the design or copying the image. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of Adobe Firefly. It's a tool that I personally find quite enjoyable to play around with. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.